Welcome. Today we're tackling a common issue for Windows users, fixing unknown devices in the Device Manager. First, let's understand what Device Manager is. It's a control panel applet in Microsoft Windows operating systems that allows users to view and control the hardware attached to the computer. An unknown device appears when Windows can't recognize a piece of hardware. It often shows up with a yellow warning sign. The primary reason is missing or corrupted drivers. Without the correct driver, Windows can't communicate properly with the hardware. Now let's look at how to access the Device Manager to begin our fix. The quickest way to open it is by pressing the Windows key plus X and then selecting Device Manager from the menu, or just press the M key. Once Device Manager is open, scan the list for devices marked with a yellow exclamation point, which indicates the unknown device. Identifying the exact hardware is crucial for finding the correct driver. Right-click on the unknown device and select Properties from the context menu. In the Properties window, navigate to the Details tab and select Hardware IDs from the Property drop-down menu. Look for the vendor ID, usually labeled VEN, and the device ID, labeled DEV. These unique codes are what we will use to search for the driver online. Once you have the hardware IDs, you can proceed to find and install the correct driver. Search online using the VEN and DEV codes to find the official driver from the manufacturer's website. Go back to the device's properties, select Driver tab, and click Update Driver. Choose the option to Browse my computer for driver software and point it to the downloaded driver file. If you are having trouble finding the driver manually, there is an alternative method to try. In Device Manager, right-click on the computer name at the top and select Scan for hardware changes. This sometimes prompts Windows to automatically detect and install the appropriate driver. Congratulations, you've successfully addressed the unknown device issue. To verify the fix, check Device Manager again. The unknown device entry should now be gone, or show the correct device name without the yellow warning sign. In summary, open Device Manager, find the hardware IDs, search for the driver using VEN and DEV, and install it to resolve the unknown device problem.